is so sweet and it's very expensive.
Guys, just look at that. Let me show you how I made it.
Guess what we are making today? This soup is very famous in a particular tribe in Nigeria. This is a local delicacy in Nigeria, and it requires a lot of vegetables. It requires a lot of palm oil. If you are living in diaspora, you want to make this type of native soup abroad, let me show you how to do that. That I'm cutting. I don't like to cut these kills because cutting it is a bit of hard work. Afang soup. What I have, I will use just so that I can feel close to home. You know, we are too far away. We are down under there. So the things that you can get, you use. Hello guys, I'm done. No, I'm not done cooking. I just I had to prepare the things that I need to cook because I can't start cooking right now. I need to do scooping up in the next 1 hour. So we're going on a break, going for school runs. When we are back, you and I will continue this delicious meal that we are making today. I think what I need to do right now is to wash the stockfish, soak the okazi in water because what I have is dry okazi. I'm going to soak it inside water, leave it. When I come back, I will blend it. I need to soak the cod, the stockfish, the cod type into water, so that it's very easy for me to cook all of those things when I come back. So let's soak it inside water. This is the cod type of fish that I made. So this is what it looks like. This fish is so sweet and it's very expensive.
Those close to her say that she has started drinking, she has taken to the bottle because of depression. Now, say in Cross River State House of Assembly, went to greet him as he stepped out of his car, and the governor rebuked him and told him that he is irresponsible.
I'm going for school runs.
A few moments later.
the cod type of stockfish is very hard to cook. It takes like a long time. That's why I'm putting this first before the meat. So, well, for now, while it's cooking, we're going to be blending the kazi.
Come along this journey where the calm feels like home, where the laughter's tender and you never feel alone. Every day is a blessing, every step is a sign. Living soft and steady, one peaceful moment at a time. Sunset on the window, colors painting the sky. I breathe out all the worries, let every burden fly. Come along this journey where the calm feels like home, where the laughter's tender and you never feel alone. Every day is a blessing, every step is a sign. Living soft and steady, one peaceful moment at a time.